Okay, so I just wanted to do this before I go to sleep. So the day that I was threatened, quite literally, that I have recorded somewhere by the SDX trafficker, solicitor of SDX trafficking, perjurers, suborner, perjury, solicitor of perjury, stalker, solicitor of stalking, alleged SDX UAL assaulter, solicitor of SEXUAL assault, RAPIST, solicitor of RAPE, libel writer, solicitor of libel writing, slanderer, solicitor of slandering, cyberstalker, solicitor of cyberstalking, black hat hacker, wannabe black hat hacker, solicitor of black hat hacking, bribers, solicitor of bribery, blackmailer, solicitor of blackmail, extortionist, solicitor of extortion, witness intimidator, solicitor of witness intimidation, obstructor of justice, solicitor of obstruction of justice, etc., etc. That works for the alleged criminal enterprise, but among other crimes, commits SEX trafficking at 610 El Camino Real, Santa Clara, California, 95050. That place wants to be known as a police department, but it's really just a criminal enterprise. When I got there, okay, I had to wait an hour, just so you all know, and it was sprinkling that day, for this criminal to show up, first of all. Nevertheless, while I was waiting, another alleged SEX trafficker, solicitor of SEX trafficking, RAPER, solicitor of RAPE, SEXUAL assaulter, solicitor of SEXUAL assault, attempted murder, solicitor of murder, assaulter, solicitor of assaulting, 422 PC death threat maker, stalker, solicitor of stalking, cyberstalker, solicitor of cyberstalking, black hat hacker, solicitor of black hat hacking, perjurers, suborner, perjury, solicitor of perjury, briber, solicitor of bribery, blackmailer, solicitor of blackmail, extortion, solicitor of extortion, witness intimidator, solicitor of witness intimidation, obstructor of justice, solicitor of obstruction of justice, etc., etc. From the criminal enterprise that wants to be known as the Mountain View Police Department, 94040, run by super felon Mike Canfield, or at MCMTNVIEW on what is now X, that used to be Twitter, showed up. So a criminal from that criminal enterprise in Mountain View showed up at the criminal enterprise at 610 El Camino Real, Santa Clara, California, 95050. He said he was there to pick up a key or to drop off a key or something about a key, if I remember correctly. And yes, I do have that recorded too. Other than that, as far as my health is concerned, I have a biopsy on the 7th, early in the morning. Right at this particular moment, my voice isn't as bad as it has been. I'm not coughing nonstop like I have been. But the dizziness has been severe, 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 severe. It's been awful. And, you know, it's like the room is spinning, but without me actually drinking alcohol or anything like that. I haven't had alcohol in years and years. I don't even know when the last time is that I had alcohol. But the room's definitely been spinning. I took some meclizine, I think is what it's called, that's prescribed. It's supposed to help with the dizziness. It took about 4 to 5 hours for it to have any effect at all. In addition, around 8 p.m. tonight, the 5th of December of 2023, I went out to get, you know, basically milk and water. There's like a place, you know, not too far from here where you can pick that kind of stuff up. Returning from there to here, this safe place in quotes, some random dude on a motorcycle is like, hey, you need a ride? And he wants to know like where I'm going. Okay, that part of my life is over. I don't know him from anyone else. If I had gotten on that motorcycle, I could have been charged with prostitution, even though that wasn't what I was doing. If he was a cop, that is. Which he probably was. He could have probably taken off with me. M-U-R-D-E-R-E-D, me. And I could have been rotting for days anywhere in the United States or the world for that matter. He could have kidnapped me and taken me to some place and tied me up for the rest of my life. Who knows? Who knows what this guy's intent was? For sure. But I'm betting he was an undercover cop and he wanted to know where I was going. So I lied. I wasn't about to tell him where my safe location is. Yeah, I lied and told him that I was going somewhere other than where I'm actually at. At the same time, interestingly enough, right as I sat down when I returned to this place, I got a phone call. So yeah, definitely I am being tracked and I am being stalked. I mean, right as I sat down is when I got this phone call. So somebody is stalking me, or multiple someones, like, oh, I don't know, SCX traffickers, solicitors of SCX trafficking, perjurers, suborners of perjury, solicitors of perjury, etc., etc. Current mafia members: Greg and Glen Chapel, 283 Concord Lane, Santa Clara, California, 95051, and corrupt DOJ, Alex Kriegsman, pretending to be a doctor, etc., etc. People like them. And this is where I'm leaving off.